Hi guys, in your Starbucks. Starbucks guys. We're having our coffee. Ayan. So nag-order na si ate girl ng coffee namin. So ayan. Dito kami sa mall. Sa Riyadh Gallery Mall. Diba? We're having our order. So ayan guys. Napakaganda ng mall nila. Diba? Nakikita nyo guys. So beautiful. Dito lang yan sa loob ng Riyadh Gallery. Ayan, nagpa-fountain sila guys. So ayan guys. Nandito ko yun sa Starbucks Coffee. May pa nakakaganda ng kanilang mall. So beautiful. Ayan guys.